Why do the first 3 hours matter in your day? Every morning, your body wakes up asking a series of questions. They're not conscious questions, they are biological questions. So your body's going to ask, what time is it? What season is it? Am I safe? Is food available? Should I build? Should I defend? And your body's going to answer these questions through signals, actually, not thoughts, not conscious pieces where she writes it down in a little notebook. No. This class is really about understanding those signals. So let's talk about what those signals are. This is my favorite part of the whole class. Your body's morning instructions come in this way. This is what we're going to be talking about today. So we first start with what are those morning signals that have the potential of giving some information to the body. There's a series of them. Light is one. Food is another. Food timing actually is also another one. Movement is a potential morning signal. Water will be a signal to the body. The season you're in will actually be a signal to the body. The state of your nervous system when you first wake up, that is definitely going to make a really big impact on the morning signals, or will be a big signal. There's also specific disruptors that can count as morning signals. They are signals and they do disrupt things. We'll get into what those are. But when these morning signals come into your system, your brain interprets these signals in order to answer a question. And the main question she asks is, what kind of day is this? Once she's able to answer this question based on those signals coming in, then that's when she's going to trigger some metabolic health to happen in the body. Your body's going to respond to the answer to this question with a series of different things. So whatever the answer to the question is, your body's going to respond with hormones, with your metabolism, energy, blood sugars, and the whole carbohydrate regulation system in the body. Digestion will be in response to whatever the answer to that question is. Sleep will happen based on whatever your answer was to that question. Whether or not your body can do repair, and also how well your immune system works, including your mast cells and histamine issues. All of these will respond in a way based on whatever information your brain was able to get from the morning signals in order to answer the question, what kind of day is this? So all of these things in the yellow column are a function of whatever your brain was able to do in answering this question, what kind of day is this, based on the signals you have in those first 3 hours of the day. Does that make sense? This is how it's all connected. And once you understand this, this is where everything meets. This is why it's so complex. It's why there are so many layers to this. And it's why potentially everybody may have a different way in. But the good news is, the pieces we're outlining today are just a shifting in how you move through your morning. And when you do that, so much of these things will answer a very different, or they'll answer the same question, but give you a very different answer as to what kind of day is this. So if you understand this, now it's going to make sense here in the whole class.